Macro Employer of the Year, BBC Cymru, Wales. The development of the BBC's drama department in Wales meant the organisation needed to tap into a creative and dynamic workforce capable of meeting the standards required in television production. The establishment of the new Roath Lock production facility in Cardiff resulted in the development of an apprenticeship programme in drama, which has proved a success for the BBC since it was introduced. Working with training provider Cyfle, the apprenticeship programme has been running for 3 years and has recruited 28 apprentices. EE Limited. EE is the largest digital communications company in the UK, serving more than 27 million customers and employing more than 600 staff at its Merthyr Tydfil contact centre. The company's apprenticeship programme was developed in 2012 with the College Merthyr Tydfil, with 90 apprentices starting in the first year. EE wanted to tackle high frontline staff attrition levels, improve its resource pipeline and develop future talent. The programme has seen employee engagement levels triple, productivity improve and costs reduce. Absence reduction alone has saved more than £300,000 annually. Conwy and Denbighshire Local Service Board. Public service organisations across Conwy and Denbighshire have pledged to increase the number and range of apprenticeship opportunities, to not only provide real opportunities for young people in the area, but also to enable them to grow their own workforce. The project has enabled the Local Service Board to successfully bring together HR managers from across a diverse range of organisations to improve the apprenticeship offer. The introduction of an apprenticeship programme in conjunction with learning provider Grŵp Llandrillo Menai has resulted in a huge cultural shift across the 14 Conwy and Denbighshire Local Service Board organisations, which currently employs 132 apprentices.